Allergies are common in almost every season but more common in summer. You can reduce its symptoms in many different ways. Essential oils can be used as an alternative treatment for allergy symptoms. In this video we will take a closer look at 5 best essential oils for allergies and how to use them. So stay tuned to the end. Best remedy for allergies is to stay away from allergens that cause it. But that may not always be possible, so home remedies like essential oils are good for allergy relief. There is not much scientific research, but some essential oils have been traditionally used to relieve allergy symptoms. Here are the 5 best essential oils to help with allergies. 1. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is known as an anti-inflammatory essential oil. It can help you with your congestion, and the cooling sensation can provide instant relief from other allergy symptoms. In some rare cases, eucalyptus can also trigger allergies in some people. In that case, try other oils. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is also anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. It can also help with allergy symptoms. 3. Peppermint oil. Peppermint essential oil is also anti-inflammatory. It can clear congestion and help you breathe better. 4. Lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil can also help clear your sinuses and reduce congestion, which is one of the most common symptoms of seasonal allergies. It also increases your energy and makes you feel better. 5. Lavender oil. Lavender is one of the most widely used essential oils as it offers many benefits. It is anti-inflammatory and can help soothe allergy symptoms. It provides a calming effect. You can also make various essential oil allergy blends by mixing 2 or more of these oils. Experiment to arrive at your best blend. Mixing peppermint, lavender and lemon in equal amounts is a good essential oil blend for allergies. Remember, mixing essential oils can be tricky as some blends can increase your chances of having an allergic reaction. So stay with single oil unless you know which blends work well. Essential oils can be used in many different ways to relieve your allergy symptoms. Here are some popular and effective methods to use essential oils to get relief. 1. Use a diffuser to spread the fragrance into the room air for constant soothing impact for a longer period. 2. Add them to your bath and spa products to get allergy relief. 3. Mix them with carrier oils and apply them on your neck, temples and near the ears to get relief from allergy symptoms. You can add 5 drops of any essential oil to a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil as a carrier oil. 4. Breathe them directly for the essential oil container. Bottom line is, essential oils can help with allergy symptoms as an alternative or complementary treatment. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.